Global warming is a crisis that affects living beings around the world, and carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are the primary cause. An annual greenhouse gas emission from animal husbandry is estimated to be 7.1 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. This makes up to 15.5% of all greenhouse gas emissions due to human activities, according to a report by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Feed production contributes 50% of total animal husbandry carbon dioxide emissions. Therefore, to ensure the continuous development of the feed industry, energy saving and emission reduction have become paramount goal. Since the 2020s, the feed industry has been experiencing a transformation from a resource-dependent to a technology-dependent industry. As a result of multi-factors influencing the price of raw feed materials, such as the outbreak of COVID-19, monetary policy changes, and intensified geopolitical disputes, the feed industry transformation will undoubtedly involve improving feed processing efficiency. A pelleting system plays a crucial role in energy consumption and efficiency evaluation of the feed production. Famsun is a pioneer in the digital and intelligent transformation of the agriculture and animal husbandry industry, and we integrate the world's cutting-edge technologies to provide a next-generation energy-saving, high-efficiency pelletizing system solution. By integrating the stable and efficient security intelligence and system value concept into the solution, feed pellet process can be developed in a sustainable way and be able to better meet current challenges. Please allow me to introduce you the K-Series Pellet Mill system from Famsun. The K-Series Pellet Mill will combine the wisdom of the world's leading expert with hundreds of years of industry experience. As one of Famsun's most popular breakthrough products, it is the market leader. Currently, over 300 sets of K-Series pellet mills are sold per year and are widely used in livestock, poultry, aquatic products, ruminants, and other feed fields. There are a variety of models that could satisfy a variety of needs. It is capable of running at a maximum power of 500 kilowatts, and the diameter of the ring die can be as large as 1,070 millimeters. Various types of feed can be pelletized using this machine from 1 mm to 12 mm. In the following sections, I will discuss three aspects of Famsun K-Series Pellet Mill system: stability and efficiency, safety and intelligence, and system values. It is Famsun's commitment to ensure the equipment's effectiveness and stability for many years to come. Therefore, we guarantee product quality throughout all stages, including design, procurement, processing, assembly, and quality control. With respect to the most important part of the gear pellet mill, Famsun works with world-class gearbox supplier to develop industry-leading gearboxes that satisfy all the feeding industry requirements. The safety factor of the K-Series gearbox is 1.3 times greater than the industry standard. The center of the gravity and the chassis design of the series gearboxes are far superior to the industry's top level. Compared with industry standard, the dynamic and static loads on the matching bear of the whole series of gearbox are more than 30% higher. To ensure that the working temperature of the gearbox is kept within a reasonable range, that the gearbox stays lubricated in high temperature and high humidity environments of the feed processing. Famsun gearboxes include a cooling and a lubrication system. With this feature, the heart of the Famsun K-Series pellet mill is able to produce surge power stably for a long period of time. In addition, the Famsun K-Series pellet mill's granulation chamber is optimally designed and verified to ensure stable and efficient output. As a result of analyzing more than 4,000 sets of Famsun pellet mills around the world, the design parameters are optimally designed from the running data. In addition, granulation chamber parameters are optimized based on the field verification to ensure that granulation efficiency meets the production requirements. In terms of working area, torque per unit area of the ring die, and pressing area of the roller, the K-Series pellet mill is more than 5% higher than the industry top level, which maximizes the pellet mill efficiency. A third assuring factor is the Famsun K-Series Pellet Mill's global supply chain system, which is comprised of the world's most advanced feed equipment manufacturing technology to ensure the stable and efficient operation of the whole machine. Famsun's global supply chain system ensures that K-Series Pellet Mill's gearboxes, bearings, pneumatic components, motors, and other core purchased parts are all obtained from the industry top 3 suppliers. A sophisticated processing system is another key guarantee of the stability and efficiency of the Famsun K-Series pellet mills. Famsun Industrial Park currently uses mosaic turning and milling compounds machine centers, Trump-F laser cutting machines, 5-axis gantry machine centers, Mora 3-axis detectors, ABB welding robots. Furthermore, the Famsun K-Series pellet mill uses another assembly line to ensure high level of consistency. Moreover, the pellet mill's associated devices are designed to be stable and efficient. K-Series pellet mills are equipped with electric ring die lifting devices, and their disassembly cycle is at the top of industry. It takes less than 30 minutes to disassembly and reassembly, which greatly reduced the waiting time for shutting down and formula switching. Pellet quality uniformity is guaranteed with adjustable scraper and cutter. In order to ensure efficiency operation of the equipment, as well as reducing lubrication costs, the pellet system is equipped with a fully automatic bearing micro-lubrication system, which automatically lubricates the pressure roller and main shaft at the right time. Another advantage of Famsun K-Series pellet mill is their intelligence and safety. First and foremost, the Famsun Group holds the feed machinery technique commitment of the International Organization for Standardization. The Famsun Group contributes to the formation of industry design and manufacturing standards. As a result of Famsun's deeper understanding of industry design, the K-Series pellet mills comply with the highest safety standards. The pellet system in strict accordance with the CE standards and ATEX standards has been designed. For the intelligent equipment, Famsun has never stopped the pace of research and development. The digital pellet mill tool was introduced by Famsun in the past few years, which is based on maturity of automation technique. The control logic and algorithm of the pellet mill are optimized, and the control process is simplified by cooperating with process parameters. Thus, the quality of the product is improved, energy consumption is reduced. With the introduction of one key startup and unattended operation, compared with manual operation, the startup time and the pellet mill can be reduced by 10%. The failure rate of the equipment can be decreased significantly, and the steam consumption can be reduced by 5 to 10%. In combination with its report generation and management capabilities, the digital pellet mill can perform predictive maintenance and lean production. For the digital pellet mill tool, Famsun has upgraded and optimized the hardware and control logic. Using production data and artificial intelligence techniques, human intervention and dependency during operations are significantly reduced. When compared to manual operation, startup time can be shortened by 10% and loan rate can reach 85% in 10 minutes. In addition to the powerful control capability offered by the digital pellet mill tool, the pellet mill automation-related hardware can also perfectly demonstrate the level of intelligence. The roller speed measuring device can greatly reduce the time of machine blockage. The ring die gap automatically adjustment function can control the quality of particles in real time. And production can be resumed in seconds. The digital pellet mill tool comes with a zero startup waste conditioner that is seamlessly integrated into the control system. As soon as the pellet mill has been preheated, it can immediately begin producing pellets at a high efficiency. In addition to the powerful control capabilities offered by the digital pellet mill tool, the pellet mill's automation-related hardware can also perfectly demonstrate the level of intelligence. In digital pellet mill tool, data cognition and parameter control have been greatly enhanced. In order to maintain accurate temperature and moisture control during the production process, The digital pellet mill tool is equipped with a top-brand flow meter to monitor the steam flow rate and saturation. Adjust the control parameters in real time to reduce the negative impact of unstable steam. It has been proven that automatic control reduces steam consumption by 5 to 10% when compared to manual control. With the increasing demand for digital transformation, Digital Pellet Mill tool integrates powerful reporting features along with a full process traceability module. With the mobile device, you can easily view pellet mill status, historical operations, and OEE. It is possible to customize your own production reports and set a maintenance reminder. Furthermore, analysis and other functional modules provide effective data and platform support for predictive maintenance management and lean operation management for feed factories. Famsun Pellet Mill system is no longer limited to an application in a single market or single area. The system fulfills multiple areas such as livestock, poultry, ruminants, aquatic products, raw material processing, and oil processing. It has been installed in over 100 countries with more than 4,000 running worldwide. All the top 50 feed companies are using Famsun pelleting system. First of all, based on the understanding of the pellet production system, Famsun advocates the innovation system application and the system value creation. Famsun K-Series Pellet Mill system is designed for the whole process, from feeding, conditioning, pelleting, stabilization, cooling, and crushing. The upstream of the pellet mill is equipped with a backflow stopping device or feeder, conditioner with steam inject from rotor, and zero stub-out waste conditioners. With these devices, we can prevent leakage and ensure steam absorption. The pellet mill's downstream configuration is flexible enough for different sterilization scenarios, and we provide differentiated sterilization solution. Additionally, a cooler and crusher intelligent control system ensures a consistent level of output particle quality. Additionally, Famsun provides differentiated pelleting system solution based on a metacognition of each market segment. As the system meets the production needs for different industries for different materials, it maximizes the pellet mill's performance to better serve global customers. For conventional low soybean starch livestock and poultry pellets, the K-Series Classic module can meet the industry demand for intensive, well-planned, and efficient production. For high fiber, low bulk density, mixed meal, livestock, poultry, and ruminant pellets, the powerful KN-Series module with a larger power density can meet the high particle hardness or PDI requirements. For the low starch and high protein aquatic pellet needs, KX series with frequency control and double door provided easy maintenance and consistent pellet quality at the same time. In addition, Famsun's pellet mill system ranks among the top in terms of energy efficiency, performance, and energy consumption, thanks to Famsun's global service network and more than 8,800 factories data that are currently in service. In the Asia-Pacific area, Famsun pig food production has achieved an average power consumption of 6.3 kWh per ton, which is 7.3% lower than the advanced level. Globally, poultry feed has a power consumption of 10 to 12 kWh per ton, 5% less than the industry advanced level. For example, a single Famsun pellet mill project that produces 100,000 ton livestock or poultry feed could save $35,000 per year in electricity costs. Every ton of feed could save 2 degrees of electricity power, and 20,000 yuan a year could be saved.